Hello, my people. This is a cry for help. The government should do something. This is our present situation in my state and around other states, in Nigeria. As the Kanji Dam has been opened, the Cameroon opened their dam, and the water just destroyed Nigeria. This is a cry for help, even all over the world, people to help us because Nigeria is totally being taken over by flood. So many states in Nigeria are submerged by this flood. If you are watching from a particular place where the flood is not affecting you, even if you are in a state where the flood has affected others and it has not gotten to you, please help people. We don't even need to wait for the government. We don't need to wait for the world to help. The little help that you can render, this is my village right now there, and this is also other places, other states in Nigeria. People are suffering. Look, I just wonder how this guy is seated here. All his properties are destroyed. Before he can leave this place, he will have to swim. If he can't swim, that means this place is seated, he will definitely die there. So this is just a cry for help. Even if we are waiting for the government, you as an individual can do your part. Some people don't have where to sleep. Some people don't have where to go. Some don't even have food to eat. You can see the condition right now in Nigeria. In certain states in Nigeria like Bayelsa, Delta, some areas in rivers, there are so many places that are being submerged like this. Now, this is a particular hospital, teaching hospital in Bayelsa State, being covered by flood. So even if somebody is sick, they can't even take the person to, because even doctors, nurses, some of them, their houses are being covered by this flood. So nobody can even go to work right now. So I'm pleading, if you are somewhere and your house is not, being destroyed by floods, if your house is not affected, please help people. Children are out there homeless, sleeping in the cold. Some people are right now sleeping on the roads because the roads are the only safe places where the water has not gotten to. So they just bring their mattress, some bring mosquito nets. The government is also trying to supply some relief materials to certain persons, which is not enough. So as an individual, please also help. If somebody comes to your house and say, please help me, and your house is not submerged by the water, please help them. Even if it's one room, please allow them stay. This is my village. I'm from Bayelsa State, Odi precisely. This is my village. Everywhere is covered. Everywhere is covered. Everywhere. Some people staying in upstairs, they will have to go to maybe the second floor, third floor. They will live there. But when they want to buy things, they will have to come down, right? So please help.
The road be like say somewhere for that side sef dey cut like this. Na make you see human being
cannot cross to this side. Why people at this side cannot also cross to the other end? Look at the pressure of the water.
Sorry.
So if you there Amasoma or you know anybody with there Amasoma, call them to leave the town now. Else you go reach point to be saying a boat. And this place where the currents dey, I'm not sure say any canoe even carry anybody pass here. Tell your people to leave Amasoma as soon as possible, latest today, because this road may not last up to 24 hours. What is that white thing there? They don't concept. If I pass this side now, set around net around my house to catch all my fish. These people, their house high here. They're full of visitors. How are you? Adu? It's my house in the village. But it's near the steps. Go up. No driver, they move. Nice one, your village people, nice strong pass. Nice one. All of us from village come, but your village people will be like them strong pass. Then follow you reach here. Hey, help him. I don't want to hear him. I never feel help myself. This is the present situation right now. The water, they push you.
Go. Come, is it here you are serving?
Yes, sir.
You serving me?
Go glass.
Wait now. You serving me?
No, sir.
You not serving me? I am Douglas from board. Is the doctor still around? What of the other staff? Why are you people still here? Okay. This is a Agudama community. This is the extent of flood in Agudama. Jesus Christ. The hospital in Agudama is submerged. Won't be out, I won't allow.
So if you there Amasoma or you know anybody with there Amasoma, call them to leave the town now. Else you go reach point to be saying a boat. And this place where the currents dey, I'm not sure say any canoe even carry anybody pass here. Tell your people to leave Amasoma as soon as possible, latest today, because this road may not last up to 24 hours. Go up. No driver, they move. Nice one, your village people, nice strong pass. Nice one. All of us from village come, but your village people will be like them strong pass. Then follow you reach here. Hey, help him. I don't want to hear him. I never feel help myself. This is the present situation right now. The water, they push you.
Even with the flood, this sugar daddy is still here calling his side chick. Whether she's still coming, I wonder where he wants to put her. Anyways, guys, this is the condition. This is what we are facing. Please share this video, like this video, share this video most importantly, so that other people can see. Your little share can let the government, even all over the world, to come and help us. Please share this video, guys. Share this video. It's very important. Thank you.